Now that my stencil art is complete, how do I protect it? I've decided to apply a clear coat. I sprayed down the piece with some water. This will ensure that the clear coat is applied more smoothly. You may work in sections, but if you are quick enough, just place as much of the product as you can on the piece and then spread out the product all in one direction. You want to move quickly, but not quickly enough to cause bubbles to form on the surface. If this happens, go over it once more before it begins to dry. Here I am using a foam brush, which is most recommended. If you use a roller, do not roll on the product. Glide the solution on in the same manner that you would a foam brush. If you angle the lighting at home, you can see if all your brush strokes are in one direction. Any extra clear coat, I'll wipe around the frame so that none is wasted and the edges are protected also. While we let this dry, please like and subscribe for more. You may do this clear coat process 2 to 3 times depending on how high traffic of an area your project is in. Don't forget to sand between coats. After fully dried, I like to use a cardboard box or a cardboard bag. If you're interested in other ways to protect your artwork, check out the videos at the end. Thanks for watching.